Okay, for the first exercise, as I was talking about drawing lines with pencil, here is HB pencil. I would like to teach you how to hold on to pencil. Put these three fingers together, and here is your pencil, putting them at the top of the second finger, and the index finger comes back to hold on to pencil, and thumb like this. Normally about 1.5 to 2 inches of this pencil has to be away from your fingers, depends on your hand size. And then I'm going to hold on to the papers with my left hand, and then using this pencil to draw a horizontal line. So normally you go a few times, making sure your hand is ready to go, and then draw this line, not too fast, not too slow. Draw a horizontal line, coming back down, another horizontal line. So these horizontal lines should not go too fast, not too slow, and practice this a few pages. That helps you to go horizontal. In continuation of exercise on lines, after you did a couple of pages horizontal, we would like to practice on vertical line. So you see how I hold on to the pencil? Put your hand at this position and draw a vertical line. Not too fast, not too slow. After you did a couple of pages of vertical, we will go over the 45 degree on each side, and you will see how our hands need to learn to move around a piece of paper. In this exercise, we are going to go for 45 degree right to left, like this. Don't go too fast, don't go too slow. Do not to put too much of pressure on pencil, nor less pressure. It has to be a normal pressure on the pencil to get the best result. So if you do few top to bottom, from top right to lower left, do the other way around. Start from the lower left and then go to the top right. Practice a few on different pages, and here your hand will get used to how to draw a line in 45 degree. Okay. The last exercise in this line exercise is going to from top left to lower right. So here is how I draw a line from top right to lower right. Top left, lower right, so I change my hand position. So you either draw it like this, let me do it that way, or you can rotate your wrist and then do it like that. Your hand needs to get used to drawing lines from any direction. That's very important. And what I would like to emphasize on is draw a line from one end to the other end. And when you're drawing a line straight like this, that's how it should be. We never do the line like that. This is wrong. Never do line like this. This is not the way we sketch anything. So it has to be straight from point A to point B, and then draw your line. Try to connect the dots together. You can do more exercises. Give yourself some time, and this way your hand will learn to draw a line, and your muscles will get used to how to draw the line. Okay, so do a couple of pages horizontal, couple of pages vertical, 45 degree right to left, 45 degree left to right. Thank you for now.